Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play difficult-level Sudoku. Unlike easier puzzles, these often require more than just basic scanning. You'll need to systematically note all potential numbers for each empty cell, often called pencil marks. This foundational step is crucial for identifying complex patterns and applying advanced strategies, which we will explore in the next few slides. Let's dive into hidden subsets, starting with hidden singles. This is when a candidate number appears only once in a row, column, or 3x3 block, making it the definite solution for that cell. Moving on, hidden pairs are two numbers that, despite other candidates, can only be placed in two specific cells within a unit. Similarly, hidden triples involve three numbers restricted to three cells, allowing you to eliminate other possibilities from those cells. Now, let's explore the X-wing and swordfish techniques. An X-wing occurs when a specific candidate number appears in exactly two cells in two different rows, and these cells align in the same two columns, forming a rectangle. This allows you to eliminate that candidate from other cells in those two columns. The swordfish is an advanced version, extending this logic to three rows and three columns, enabling even more significant candidate eliminations across the grid. To truly master difficult Sudoku, consistent practice is essential. The more puzzles you attempt, the better you'll become at recognizing these complex patterns. Always use pencil marks to keep track of all potential candidates. This visual aid is invaluable. Remember, sometimes you'll need to combine several advanced techniques to solve a particularly stubborn puzzle. Keep practicing, and you'll conquer even the most challenging Sudoku grids.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.